Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a Spellbinders paper arts club thing. Card kit of the month. It was from July 22. It was Under the Sea Magic. And I purchased this not in July 22. Has not been sitting around my room that long. When I purchased it, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to see what it's all about. So it comes in a cute box, which is great, but honestly means nothing to me. It's wrapped in tissue with a sticker. Again, great, means nothing to me. If that sounds harsh, I'm so sorry. I just hate packaging. Like, I hate packaging so much. So let's see what I got in it, and if I'm actually going to make cards with it, or if I'm going to use this for scrapbooking, or if it was a waste of time and money. Okay, so contents in the kit. It comes with this thing, this insert, and tells you how to make a card. So 10 cards and 10 envelopes, which I'm assuming are these, and these are textured cardstock with the envelopes, and they are 5.5 by 4 1/4, so standard size cards. 9 pieces of cardstock, so have this purple, it's decently thick. A white, holy Moses, that level of purple, another purple, a pink, a lighter pink, a blue, a brighter blue, and also a gold piece of cardstock. Now these colors are what I would say are intense together. Woo! Okay. Also includes a paper pad. So that's this Under the Sea Magic. So this is thin paper. Mermaid scales, 2 of those, 2 purple ones, 2 unicorn ones, 2 more purple, some more unicorn, a fairy. I don't feel like this is Under the Sea Magic. It is Under the Sea Magic. Fairies, I wouldn't consider unicorns and fairies under the sea. Some florals, some purple unicorn and fairy. I'm also not really feeling that these, sorry, I was flipping through. I'm also not really feeling that all of these colors are a good match. Florals, newsprint with hexagons, mermaids. I don't know what to call that. Looks like coral trees with some leafy bits. Mermaids. And seahorses too, I guess. Okay, so that's the paper pad. Okay, stamp set. So the stamp set is this one right here. Every little thing you do is, I hope today is filled with magic. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. With love from the Tooth Fairy to the Birthday Princess. Wish upon a star. You are made of stardust and wishes and magical things. And then there's a fairy, a unicorn, a tooth, and starry bits. This card kit is confusing to me. So after the stamp set, a puffy alphabet stickers, which are these gold ones right here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. I just had to make sure that all the alphabets were there because I have received alphabets before that were missing some. Chipboard embellishments. So that's this. It's two-sided. Birthday wishes, live your dreams, a fairy, the floral magic, postcard with a unicorn, another unicorn, good for 25 cents, loved, believe in magic. It's that heart of gold and stardust soul that makes you beautiful. Flowers and stars, love for this moment, thankful. Because of you, there is magic in my life and sparkle in my soul. A tag, a shell, celebrate your mermazing and mermaids. I like a lot of these. I think a lot of these will be useful things that I would use, but some of them are not. After chipboard embellishments, we have gemstones, which are these. They are the faceted gemstones. So we've got gold and blue with gold and purple with gold and kind of like an iridescent teal. Very, very usable. Die cut shapes, foam squares, and adhesive tape. Oh, I missed the set of 10 dies. I missed saying the set of 10 dies. So let's look and see what is in the set of 10 dies. I'm gonna pull this over. So we have a mermaid, another mermaid, starfish, seahorse, a shell, another seahorse, some coral. And yes, I said coral on purpose that way because that's what we say in our family. Some bubbles, a little teeny tiny fish, and a shell. I wonder if that shell fits in there to make it a 3D shell. Maybe. So those are there. And then of course it comes with foam squares and adhesive tape. So look guys, another roll of double-sided sticky tape I gotta work through. And then some foam squares. 4 by 5, so 20 foam squares and lots of extra foam in the packaging for that. I'm going to put the dies back in this little envelope. And I really got to do some thinking. Because there are parts of this so far that I love and parts where I'm like, no. Like the tooth fairy thing, I am so far out of that in my life. And I get it. This is a really old unboxing. I have no idea if Spellbinders even does this anymore or what. There's a lot of die cut shapes in here. Okay, lots of die cuts though. That is exciting. I love it when there's lots of die cuts. Okay, so they're thin. Have an enchanted birthday. Let's celebrate. Today is your day. Let's celebrate. Today is your day. Oh, there are lots of repeats. Shells. Yes, there are lots of repeats. Okay, which is fine. Florals. Floral. Dance with fairies. Ride a unicorn, swim with mermaid, chase your dreams. You are special to me. You are amazing. Celebrate today. Have a magical day. Always chase rainbows. Beautiful. Believe in your dreams. Some more fairies. A dolphin. Mermaid. Flowers. Plenty of flowers and shells. Another dolphin. Magic. Wish upon a star. More mermaids. More mermaids. Love this. More shells and stars. Tickets. Coral. Shells. Some more florals. This is that same pattern that is in here, just in different colors. It's got hibiscus on it. More mermaids. Seahorses. More seahorses. Anchors. May all of your wishes come true. How unique and special you are. So much fun. A ticket. Some more floral. More mermaids and fairies. Some little circle doily bit looking things. Seahorse. You are made of magic. Another seahorse. A unicorn. A fairy. Another fairy. Some tickets. It's pretty. The gold foil roses. unicorn, unicorn, a fairy, happy birthday, rainbows, more fairies, some fish, more of those pretty gold florals. And then we have stars, starfishes, and flowers. So this is Under the Sea Magic. It's kind of all over there for me. Mermaids, unicorns, and fairies are kind of all over there for me, for sure. But there are also definitely things on here that I will use, and definitely things in here that I won't use. But this is the kit that I got, and it's been sitting for a little while. It lives under my fun foam, and I thought, you know what? Today's the day to look at this and see if this is something I want to pursue, because I find card kits are so awesome for scrapbooking. I subscribe to Love from Lizzie for a little bit. I use Brutus Monroe inspiration box products all the time in my scrapbooking. And I wanted to see if this was one that I would be interested in. I think this is a ton of product. Like for a card kit, this is a ton of product. So I like the amount of product. I like the variety of product. This is just not my theme. Like I am not their target audience. The colors, I don't mind purples and pinks and blues and all that kind of stuff. But the unicorns and fairies and mermaids are not totally my thing. I can make the mermaids work with Disney stuff, but the fairies, they're not very Tinkerbell-esque, so probably not. And unicorns just aren't my jam. Like, they're just not. So, anyway, there it is. This wasn't a review, although it kind of sounded like I was giving it one. I was just telling you how I felt about it. I guess that is what a review is, huh, people? I don't even know anymore. So there it is. I'm not exactly sure when this is going to go up on my channel. I might save it for a rainy day, you know, days where my husband wakes up and he's like, let's go on an adventure. And I'm like, I haven't done a video yet. You know, sometimes those videos kind of happen. But anyway, I am sharing that with you. So I will have to make a layout or something with this once this video goes up. So we'll see when that happens. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.